Hi guys, the Federal High Court in Abuja on Thursday struck out a 50 billion naira fundamental rights enforcement suit filed by Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu is the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, against the federal government over his abduction and extraordinary rendition from Kenya. Justice Enyong Eko delivered the ruling, citing lack of diligent prosecution as a reason for striking out the case. Neither Kanu's legal representatives nor counsel for the federal government were present in court when the matter was called. The matter has suffered 3 adjournments without representation from the plaintiff, even though the federal government was represented on the last adjourned date. The court cannot allow proceedings to drag endlessly without diligent prosecution, Justice Eko stated before striking out the case. The suit marks FHC/ABJ/CS/462/2022 was filed by Kanu in April 2022. He had sued the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the Attorney General of the Federation (AGF) as first and second defendant respectively. Kanu claimed his rights was grossly violated when he was allegedly abducted in Kenya and rendition to Nigeria without due legal process. Through the suit, Kanu sought a declaration that his rendition violated international and domestic laws, citing Article 12 of the African Charter on Human and People's Rights and Section 15 of the Extradition Act, cap. E25, Laws of Federation of Nigeria, 2004. He also asked the court to determine whether he could be lawfully tried for offences outside the scope of what he claimed he was illegally renditioned for, in relation to the amended 15-count criminal charge currently pending before Justice Binta Inyako of the Federal High Court, Abuja. Among the 11 reliefs Kanu sought were an order for his release from the custody of the State Security Service (SSS), a restraining order against the federal government from continuing his prosecution under charge number FHC/ABJ/CR/383/2015 and an award of 100 million as the cost of the legal action, in addition to 50 billion naira as damages for the alleged rights violation. However, the federal government, in a preliminary objection filed on June 27, 2022, urged the court to dismiss the suit. He described Kanu's case as an abuse of court process, noting that he had earlier filed a similar suit before the Federal High Court in Umuahia, Abia State. The facts and parties in both suits are essentially the same. This renders the Abuja suit incompetent and robs the court of jurisdiction, the government argued. The New Agency of Nigeria report that a development during one of the previous sittings, Kanu's counsel, Aloy Jumako, informed the court of a pending notice of change of counsel. He stated he would be taking over the matter from Mike Ozekome San, who had filed the original suit. So guys, that is that about this. And you know what all this means, okay? You know what it means. But at least they should free him. You understand? They should just free this man, make it go. They should just let him go, okay? This, our Nigerian judiciary, now something else, so that will not be matter where we will go today. Some persons are saying here that what we have today is APC judiciary. God's time is the best. One day time of God will take place. Okay, someone just dropped that. They are not serious. This APC court, Nigeria is a crime against humanity. Okay, so guys, I'm dropping it here. Kindly drop your comments below the comment section. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share this video, make it go viral, so that Biafrans can understand wetin dey happen today concerning Nnamdi, Kanu, and Nigerian government. Thank you and bye for now.